and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are really doing well and you are safe at your homes. Even I am safe at my home. So I know I am posting my videos really late because I need some time to study, because in next month I have my exam. As UGC declared, the exams are going to happen, so I have to prepare for that, and because of that my videos are coming late, but I'll try to stay updated and put my videos as soon as possible. So today my video is all about makeup brushes. Yes, it is a really serious topic. Makeup brushes, the beginners who don't know how to, means what kind of brushes they need in a vanity. So today I'm gonna tell you what kind of brushes you need to keep in your vanity, and what kind of brushes you should use, and you should spend more money in brushes, or you should save money in brushes. I'm gonna tell you that also. So watch this video till end, and I'll show you how to use the makeup brushes and where. Without wasting further any time, let's get started. So as I told you, I got these brushes from Flipkart. Packing is really nice and it is really cheap. For the beginners who have just started learning makeup, so these are, you can invest in these brushes. The brushes looks like this. I got this in white. You have color options, like you can choose black or grey. There are many color options. So we'll start first today from our eyes. So first I'll show you what kind of brushes you need to do your eye makeup. I'll tell you the basic brushes, and I'll provide the link in the description box from where you can buy. I suggest, when you are a beginner, when you just begin to learn makeup, use a really cheap brushes. You don't need to go for like 5,000, 6,000 rupees brushes. It is not necessary. You can just start with the kit you got. You get around, I guess, 200 to 300 rupees kit you get from Amazon or Flipkart. You can just buy that and you can start from that also. So first, today we'll start from our eyes. So I'll tell you what kind of brushes you need to do your eye makeup. These basic 3 brushes are required. These 2 brushes I used for doing eyebrows. See, you can see these 2 brushes I used to do your eyebrows. Like how? I'll show you. Take this twisted brush and just make your eyebrow both. And the other brush, it is quite angular, means you can see it is like this. So these kind of brushes are required to do your eyebrows, filling your eyebrows. I have this gel from ADS. I'll use this only. I have shown you how to fill your eyebrows with eyeshadow palette also. So if you don't know how to do your eyebrows with eyeshadow palette, you can check my last videos. I'll give the link in the description box also, and from there also you can check that how you can do your eyebrows with just simple steps. So I have taken a little amount and just put the pointed part at inner corner and just fill it. So after completing your eyebrows, the next is your eyes. So you need only 2 brushes to do your eye makeup. See, this is from my old kit and this is from my new kit. So these are 2 brushes. This one is known as the concealer brush. When we conceal our eyes, this brush we need to conceal our eyes. And this is a fluffy brush which we use to apply eyeshadows, so eyeshadows don't look smudgy and doesn't get clotted. So these 2 brushes are enough for beginners to do their eye makeup. First, conceal your eyes. So this is the concealer brush and we are concealing our eyes now. So just take your concealer in this brush and apply it all over your eyes. Like this. I know you will look funny, but yeah. Now take your clean beauty blender. Clean your beauty blender before using it. It is mandatory. We have concealed our eyes first. Now it's time to apply an eyeshadow. So take our fluffy brush, this fluffy brush, and we'll take any color. You can take any light color or any color. Just take any color and apply on your eyes. Actually, this fluffy brush helps to blend your eyeshadow really nice. You can see no patches on your eyes. Hold your brush little away. Don't leave it like this only. That is why this is known as a blending brush. It literally blends all over your makeup very nicely, eye makeup. Yes. So after this, again we need a concealer brush. I'll show you why. Take your concealer brush and just apply the concealing. Now we'll apply our shimmery shade on our eyes. I'm gonna use today a little pink shade. I like pink. I'll apply this with my hand only. And that is why we need a concealer brush. So I've done with my eyes. मैंने थोड़ा eyeliner और mascara लगा लिया. So the eye look is completed. Now it's our face tint. So for face, which brushes are required? No brushes more than 2 or 3 brushes. This brush is used for foundation. But it is better to use a beauty blender to blend your base or anything, because this is the best thing to blend. It will not get patchy, and it is not necessary that you should have a brush only to blend your face makeup. So a beauty blender is more than enough. So just take a beauty blender, or you can get this type of brush in this set. I'll give this set link in description box. This is a really good set. We get almost all brushes in this. So take your foundation. Today I'm using this Hillary foundation. It is quite good. It's 35 ml. Your foundation. This is how we blend with the brush. But with brush it looks patchy. I don't see. You can see the patchiness in the foundation. But after blending with the beauty blender, see, a lot of difference you can see. So I prefer beauty blender only. Concealer from MAC. I have this concealer from MAC and it is really nice. So just take a little bit of concealer. Yes. Please do your makeup very finely around your eyes, because your eye makeup is already done. So you don't want to spoil your eye makeup. So please be careful while doing makeup around your eyes. This kind of fluffy brush is required to set your under eye. If you don't have this kind of brush, it is all right. Take your beauty blender. I'll show you this side how you can do with your beauty blender, and this side how you can do with your brush. Take your beauty blender. Take some amount of your powder, loose powder. Look down, don't look up, because your fine lines, you have to hide these fine lines which are under your eyes. Take your loose powder and just dab it. Just dab it lightly. Those who have oily face, like I have my T-zone really oily, so I will put some amount of powder there also. So this side I have done with this. Even you can highlight your this section. See. Even this section you can light set with powder. Oh sorry, this side I'll show you with brush. I'll set little bit of my base, my T-zone. Put little on your T-zone also, because I have a really oily T-zone. Yeah. No need to take extra product. Just dab the same product because you don't need to do a lot. So take your fluffy brush, like this side we'll do by brush. Take little bit of your powder dust and just apply. I know we look funny, but still. Now the next thing I told you, this contouring brush. See, I have this from my new kit also, a contouring brush. So I'll do my contouring with this today. Take your powdered contour. Mine is completely finished. I have to bring a new one. Take your brush, dust the rest of the product and just so take the same brush which we have used for applying this. So I have these two. This is from my old kit and this is from my new kit. These are fluffy brushes which are used to remove this powder, loose powder. So I use this only today. So just take your brush and rub. No, one thing is remaining, our blush, the main thing. But usually I put my blush with this beauty blender only. You have seen in my last video. If you have not, then you can just check the link. I'm giving the links in description box. You can check my last video also. So now our final remaining is blush. So today I'm gonna apply my blush with brushes only. So you don't need any separate what we can say brush for blush. This brush is that only which we have used to apply our powder. So take some amount of blush and just apply it. Now the last thing is to highlight. So just take any fluffy brush, normal fluffy brush which has come in your kit only. You get these kind of brushes in your kit. Spray a little amount of your makeup fixer on the brush. Take your highlighter and just you can apply your highlighter. Done with your makeup. Just apply lipstick or whatever you need. I'll apply my lipstick. Yes, you are done. So I have almost shown you every brush that you can use, and it is really cheap brushes. You don't need to spend a lot of money in this. You can save your money, means rather than wasting your money in expensive brushes. So I'll give the brushes link in the description box. Please go and check, and if you like my video, please like, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home and stay happy, and that's the big thing. Bye bye guys, I love you so much.